Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shweta from Rudhan University. Today we'll be discussing on the topic basic surgical techniques for abdominal and pelvic organs the surgeon should be proceeded to. Firstly, when patient comes to the hospital or ICU for the surgery, we make the patient being in a position according to the organ we are going to make surgery on. After making position of the patient, we sterile and clean the area of the operative area of the body before making an incision. A surgeon can choose a two ways of approach can be for abdominal pelvic surgery or abdominal and pelvic surgeries, which is a laparoscopic surgery and laparotomy for abdominal. Laparoscopic surgery is less invasive and it decreases the bleeding of the organs, and laparotomy is direct opening of the abdominal wall muscles and getting into the abdominal organs, which is very clear for a surgeon. And so the both methods have advantages and disadvantages on their own. While making incision, a surgeon need to start an incision of the abdominal wall by layer, firstly incising into skin, then subcutaneous fat, rectus abdominis muscle, external oblique and internal oblique muscle, transverse abdominis muscle, and then into peritoneal cavity, getting into an organ. These are the regions of abdominal cavity which are divided into 9. According to the surgery organ surgery we are going to do, we'll be incising on certain area of these nine regions. Based on that, the incisions are divided into these types. We make incision on perineal cavity for accessing the pelvic organs for surgery, like how we can see here. Here they are accessing for genital female genital organs, like going into the vaginal opening, and these are the different incisions around vaginal opening. Mainly, we should remember that after making an incision while operating with an organ, there will be a much bleeding from different arteries and veins. We make sure that we should stop bleeding by different methods, different mechanical methods, by mainly by hemostatic scissors around clipping into the artery or other blood vessels around the wound we are making. After repairing certain organ of the abdomen and pelvic, we suture the organ according to the morphology it had been made. This is the liver sutures, and this is small intestine suture, which is a very important sutures, and this is gastric suture on the stomach, and this is uterus sutures. These are the vaginal repairing and sutures. After suturing the abdominal wall, abdominal organ we repaired on, we also should close the abdominal wall by suturing it by layer again into the top of the skin, like how it is seen here. Based on the below the peritoneum cavity, we repair the organ, then into peritoneum we suture it, and fascia and other muscles we had discussed before, and subcutaneous fat and skin. We suture it layer by layer. Thank you.